Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. We're getting a lot of calls about spots in Bermuda grass yards. The spots that you see here behind me are spring dead spot. Spring dead spot is caused by a fungus that's active in the fall of the year as Bermuda grasses are going dormant. The fungus is on the root system. The Bermuda grasses that are affected try to fight off the disease and use up a lot of their energy and end up basically killing themselves in these small circular spots. There are ways to treat it. You can treat it by fungicide in the fall when soil temperatures get down to 77 degrees. There's also the extreme way would be to dig up the soil and replace this with a more resistant Bermuda grass. Not all Bermuda grasses will get it as bad as this, but all Bermuda grasses are susceptible. You do see differences as you look down, like this neighborhood I'm standing in today. Some are worse than others. The lawns that don't have the spots probably have the fungus or had the fungus active in the fall, but those Bermuda grasses are more resistant to it. At this point in the year, the damage is already done. The only thing we can do now is try to encourage growth, encourage the Bermuda grass to fill in. We can take a rake and rake up those dead spots, and also mow your lawn a little bit shorter than normal. That will encourage the Bermuda grass to grow more horizontally and less vertically. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a shout. We'd love to work with you on this. I hope you all have a great day.